Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A51, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should pick sound and vibration, and then go to ringtone. Pick whichever SIM card you would like to change the ringtone to, and let's come along with all of them, starting with 80s phone. And let me pick, for example, Sparkle, go back, and as you can see, it has been changed to Sparkle. So that will be all. This is how you can come along with all the ringtones available in your Samsung Galaxy A51 and then change it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.